Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important question in the chapter national income. First, give one example of externality which reduce the welfare of the people. The answer is polluted dumped by the steel factory in the river, pollute water and kill the fish in the river. Next question, give reason category of the following into stock and flow. The first, capital. Capital is a stock variable because it is measured at a point of time. The next, saving. Saving is a flow variable and it is measured per unit of time. Next, gross domestic product is a flow variable, it is measured per unit of time. Wealth is a stock variable because it is measured at a point of time. Next question, explain the circular flow of income. The flow of production, income, expenditure is a circular flow. Production give rise to the income and income give rise to the demand for goods and services, and demand in turns give the rise to the expenditure lead to the further productions. Thus the flow of productions, income and expenditure become circular with no beginning or no end date. This is shown in the figure also. Here you can see the figure, income flow to expenditure, the production flow to income and expenditure flow to production. Now next question, calculate the sale from the following data. The value is given, net value added at factor cost 560, depreciation 60, change in stock minus 30, intermediate cost 1000, export 200, indirect tax 600. Now when we calculate the net value added at factor cost, the formula is sale plus change in stock minus intermediate cost minus depreciation minus indirect tax, or sale is equal to net value added at factor cost minus change in stock plus intermediate cost plus depreciations minus plus indirect tax. So 560 minus 30 lakh plus 1000 lakh plus 60 lakh plus 60 lakh. The answer is, after calculating that, 1710 lakh. The sale is 1710 lakh. Next, calculate the national income from the following data. First, private final consumption expenditure 900, profit 100, government final consumption expenditure 400, net indirect tax 100, gross domestic capital formation 250, change in stock 50, net factor income abroad minus 40, consumption of face capital 20, net import 30. For formula for national income calculation, the private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formations minus net import minus consumption of fixed capital minus net indirect tax plus net factor income from abroad. So here we see that the private final consumption expenditure is 900 plus government of final consumption expenditure 400, gross domestic capital formation 250, then net export is 30 minus consumptions of fixed capital is 20, net indirect tax is 100 minus 40, change in net factor income from abroad, that is 40. The answer is, after calculating, we get the 1360 crore, that is national income 1360 crore. What are the two examples of intermediate goods used by the carpenter in making furniture and cloth purchased by a firm for making shirt?